This is a 3.5-inch exhaust that I have fit onto my next gen /RA Ranger. It's a DPF back system from factory direct /Outback Exhausts in northern Brisbane. It's made from 409 stainless steel. It delivers a note that I'm very happy with, even though it's got a DPF. I have a straight pipe and it drones a little bit on the highway, but nothing that will give you a headache. If you have music, it's fine. I managed to change the pipe myself with some basic tools. I'm not a mechanic at all, but if you have some time and basic knowledge, you'll be fine. Or if you're in the Brisbane area, you can have Outback Exhaust fit it for you, or take the kit to your mechanic.